hell happened here? Okay, Yantra, can you find any records on what happened here?
Let me search the database of Earth's satellites. After your grandparents' crew left for Proxima Centauri in 2030, human race started mining Moon and was on a verge of becoming a Type 2 civilization. But they were struck by a massive catastrophe when a fusion power plant on Moon exploded and made a part of it to split, which resulted in tsunamis, earthquakes, and debris of Moon rained on Earth for years, resulting human race and 85% life forms on Earth to perish.
Why didn't they try to find us?
It was an experimental mission. There was no returning back and all the communications went dead after 20 years of the space travel. Mission Control thought they lost you and the program was closed.
Are there any humans alive?
I have to scan the planet for intelligent life forms. I have some signals. We have to travel there to be precise.
So let's go find them. Deploy all the drones and beam me up.
Into the future. Stay tuned, like, share and subscribe.
Hey guys, so I hope you like my video and अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो please subscribe to my channel and please share this video. I want everyone out there, every architect out there to know what all things we can do, because we have an enormous field and we can do a lot of things. So yeah guys, go ahead, share, like and comment on this video. अगर आपको जानना है कि how I have made this video, so go and check it out in the description box. It's Sunday today, so guys, have a good day, have a great weekend and take care of yourself. Bye bye.